This is the three little pigs. He said, a little piggy let me in. And he said, not bad for a chin chin chin. He said, I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'm gonna blow your house down. Stand in that brick house and said, little piggies, let me in. He said, not by her chin chin chin. I said, I'm gonna huff. I'm gonna puff. I'm gonna blow your house down. Can you tell me the story?
Mm-hmm.
Can I listen to me do now?
No, we didn't get the tape. We only got the book. But you know the story, don't you? You haven't seen it. We have.
This is the grasshopper story. The king said, he loved to hear stories. And he said, a stranger came to him. He's half a kingdom, came by a hut. Tell a story that never ends. He said, and the stranger came to tell and said, King, I have a story that never ends. And said, let me hear it. So he said, there's a long fat car of corn. He said, I don't want to have another story again. He says, I don't want to have another story again. Half my kingdom, I don't want to have another story again.
Very good.
He said, can we do that?
Not yet.
Why? Okay.
How do you like going to preschool? Is it fun?
There's a kitchen. Only 3 people can play there.
In the kitchen? Oh, it's a toy kitchen? What's your teacher's name?
Mrs. Muloff, Mrs. Soap.
Mrs. Muloff and Mrs. Soap. That's right. And what was Thursday when you went to school? What did you take?
Bear.
The bear.
And the dog.
Oh, Sharpay, wasn't it? And what did you guys Sharpay, wasn't it? And what did you guys do?
We played.
You played? Didn't you go to the big school? And what did you do there?
Listen to
Oh, you just listened? You didn't get to see it?
We did.
Oh, you saw it too, huh? Yeah, that's kind of neat.
It was, what was it? The stink song.
Thank you song.
Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, dear friend, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, dear friend, thank you, thank you.
Great! And what was the snake song you were telling me? I don't think I've heard that one yet.
Snake song?
Isn't that what you just said?
No.
What did you say?
Snake song.
Sounds like snake song to me. Say it again.
Sneak.
Sneak. What's the sneak song?
It's the same song. We did you see my, knee sneaks. Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them. Hey, where's
Bear?
Yeah, that lost his button.
Oh, the bear lost his button. You're going to be getting that.
Yeah?
Okay, go ahead.
Did you see my new shoes? Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me. Is this the shoes? $5, $5 a pair. Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me.
Why don't you start over? Try it again.
Mama bought them.
No.
Mama bought
No.
Did you see my, did you see my, did you see my new shoes? Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me. $5, $5, $5 a pair. Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them right there.
Very good. Very good.
I listened to it.
Well, let's do your other ones first. Let's do Thumbkin.
Did you see my new sneaks? Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me. $5, $5, $5 a pair. Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me. Right there. Okay, now let me. Wait a second. I forgot to do the $10 one.
Oh, is that one $10?
No, that's $10.
$10 for those shoes
Okay.
got expensive.
I forgot that one. Okay. Did you see my, did you see my, did you see my new shoes? Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me. $10, $10 a pair. Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them right there.
Very good.
Did you see my, did you see my, did you see my? Wait a second. I forgot to do the $10 one.
Oh, is that one $10?
No, that's $10.
$10 for those shoes
Okay.
got expensive.
I forgot that one. Okay. Did you see my, did you see my, did you see my new shoes? Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them for me. $10, $10 a pair. Mama bought them, Mama bought them, Mama bought them right there.
Very good.
Did you see my, did you see my, did you see my morsel?
Okay.
Every
what?
Every morsel.
Every morsel? Every morsel of them? Okay.
Where is something? Where is something? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pinter? Where is Pointer? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Tommy? Where is Tommy? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Where's the old man? Where's the old man? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Where is Pinky? Where is Pinky? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Where's the family? Where's the family? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, that's so cute.
Can I listen to it?
Didn't you learn another song now?
No, I don't know the Little Wagon.
No, but there was another song you were singing. I have to kiss you. This is so cute. I can stand it. I love the little hand movements.
September the 16th, one day before Marion, 1979. And I want to make this statement that I don't ever sound like myself. Everybody sounds like themselves but me, and I always think I sound like Marion, and if y'all think so, let me know, please. Okay. Okay, Maestro, would you like to speak?
Is that Maestro or Maestro? I thought maybe you were saying mouth-stro.
Yeah.
I made so many mistakes in that.
Well, that's all right. That made it sound real
If you
good.
made mistakes, I'll beat you.
That's right.
More than you.
Now, I think that Valley wanted you to play on your accordion, so while we have this in progress, would you mind playing your accordion, Miss Rosie?
Okay.
All right.
Give me that back.
Well, go ahead and just
Play it
play.
all back.
Yeah, we'll play it all back. Get your accordion ready, and I'll just continue to talk here. Carl and Lawrence and his family have gone to church, and Frank has their car. We went to the waffle shop this morning, and Miss Rosie wasn't too pleased with her waffles. They were kind of doughy, and she didn't like them anymore. But I didn't like them either, so we both left them. Okay, here comes Miss Rosie with the accordion. What you gonna play now, Miss Rosie? She don't know. She always has to stop and think. Dorothy laughed at it. Oh, for goodness. Oh, mate. I'll have to do this laughing record for y'all. That's even funnier than playing the piano. Tom always hated me to do that. He said I was crazy. Okay, go ahead, Miss Rosie. Here she comes. Oh, my goodness. Come on.
I don't even know how it started.
Oh, Miss Rosie, you play it just like you do a piano. Don't get so nervous.
I don't know.
You want me to sing? Oh, that isn't right. Wait, just hold on here. She'll get it right. We got plenty of tape. Frank said it was going to last 90 minutes. I don't know how I can stand that. Ooh. Okay, Miss Rosie. Sound like a doctor show, don't it? Step right up and buy this medicine. $1 bottle. That sounds real good, don't it? Don't you think that David looks like Jesus? Sort of. You know that movie they made and man played the part of Jesus? Everybody said that David looked just like him. I think he does. I think that pays for his grandpa.
Don't you think so?
Huh?
I look like Tyrone Power. Don't you think so?
Yeah, you do. Uh-huh. No, you look familiar. Let me see. Who did I used to think you looked like? You look like the Marlboro man that advertises cigarettes. You remember him? Is that the end, Miss Rosie? Well, keep working on it because this tape is, I know that we're going to sell 100 copies of it, maybe 1 million. This ought to be a real good tape, I tell you.
I don't know. I can't get to that.
I can't imagine anybody ever wanting to learn to play an accordion. I feel like I'm smothering, they're pulling apart. Oh, me. Go ahead, Miss Rosie.
I can't find that note.
Well, just guess at it, Miss Rosie. Just play the top thing.
The lost chord.
trying to save my life.
Well,
Right here.
I'd like to have known back in the day. Tall and straight and cute. Ever doing Guido McKaylee.
I gotta pick up where your mother hangs it. She can resell it when she's through it.
See, I can't do it when I try.
There she goes, Mr. Yeah, this is her debut. So whatever. Oh, my soul in heaven. Go ahead, Miss Rosie. She's still hunting for her music. I don't know. She's got it spread there all over the piano and sections and.
This is probably going to be an original composition.
That's right. That's right. She's got so many pieces here. She don't know what to play first. And she don't know what to play, and I don't know what to say. So we're in a heck of a fix.
Come on,
Yeah, yeah. Frank said that David was going to show his slides this afternoon at 5 o'clock at Carroll. So, yeah.
Yes, we are now going to hear Miss Rouser, Paderewski, Crocetti play
Like upscotch.
the Geneva Schatzi. Schottish, oh, Schatzi.
Oh, well, that does make
Yeah,
it sound better.
yeah.
Gracious.
Yes, the Geneva Scottish.
Say something else. I thought it was that word in German. Golly. Okay, Miss Rosie, get going. with
Schatzi
it.
is darling.
Oh, go ahead, Miss Rosie. That was very pretty, Miss Rosie. See, you're getting better all the time. Is there anything else you would like to play at this moment? Do you have another piece, or do you have to think? Do you have to think, Dorothy Rafferty? She's playing this from memory. Isn't that great? She didn't have to look up the music for that. Very good, Miss Rosie. I guess that'll do at this time. And we'll get back with you as soon as Carol and Rita come from church, okay? Goodbye.
My hand's been such a bitch. I broke my ribs and my hands are hurting and I got no strength either. You're not started yet, are you?
Okay.
All right, get in here.
Have you
I
got
didn't ask you, I got a volume way up. I just keep it about telling me now.
Okay. Oh, do you have it on now?
Yeah.
Oh, well, excuse me. Miss Rosie, would you come forward? Would you come up on the platform so we can all hear you play? Now, play a little bit faster. You played a little bit draggy before, and you blamed it on the accordion, but I think it's the accordion, too. I think you need a new one. Go ahead. Get with it. Faster, faster, faster. Okay, well, we'll play this back and see if you like it any better. Meantime, Miss Rosie has been invited to Lulu's and Warren's for dinner, and we're getting ready to take her over there, and Frank and I are going to an air show. Goodbye. Oh, Miss Rosie wants to perform again. She should have been an actress. She missed her calling. She should have been in Hollywood, or she should have been a kindergarten teacher. Because oh, no, she's been dying ever since I knew her. Ever since I've been born, she's been having a headache. And she has a headache today, but this music seems to be helping her some. Go right ahead, Miss Rosie. Don't. There she goes. You get Miss Rosie started, and she can't stop. She likes to keep performing. And as I said before, she should have been an actress, and I think she should be on the Johnny Carson show at 90 years old. What else? What else? I would sing with that if it had words to it. I know you would like it. You know, I thought I sounded like Marion on this thing, but I sound like Dorothy Vanderbilt. I really should send this tape to her, and she would think it was her. Oh, mercy. Thank you, Miss Rosie. Do you have anything else to say at this moment?
That's all.
That's all. Okay. Goodbye.
Hi, Marion and girls. This is Rita.
Son, Evan, Joe.
And I want to wish you a happy birthday today. I know, understand that according to Frank, you will be an old lady. And big 50 there, that is in your age now. No dimensions or nothing like that, just 50 in your age. And I hope you have a happy one. And he's supposed to get in a little early. He's got a surprise for you, I understand. And we all wish you a happy birthday and many more returns today. And all the girls, have a good winter. We'll see you next summer. And Valley, wish you the best with your wedding. And here is Neal.
Good afternoon. This is Neal, Marion, and Valley, and Gail, and Greg, and Natalie, and all the family, and Vicky. I wish you could all be here. I'm glad Frank is here, but if you were all here, we'd have much fun. But we couldn't all stay in our house because it's too little. You understand that, don't you? But I just have to wish you a happy birthday, Marion. But you don't look that old. And here's Carol. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear man, happy birthday to you. And
Right on those
and Vicky and Frank. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, Frank. Oh. Is that all you're going to do? I thought you were really going to do something. He's moving the equipment. The equipment was in the wrong spot, and he's having to move it. No, I'm waiting for him to get. Oh, you didn't stop it. Oh, okay. All right, okay. Marion, I wish you were here. We all wish you were here. We have done interesting things like make this tape. We're going to have home movies.
Air show.
Went to the air show.
We did not. Uncle Warren.
Oh, yes, and that was so much fun. Did you get any socks? Did he give you any new socks?
Yeah.
Oh, Marion, we could have sent you some socks, and you could have passed them around the lake. Little...
Tell Marion that Harold's going to come out and visit in the year 2030. He's got 50 years more work to do.
Yes. Did you hear that, Marion? I hope you did. Let's see now. Who else did I want to speak to? Valley, I hope your wedding plans are coming along fantastic. I would love to be out there and see the wedding. I always cry. And let's see. To Greg, I sure do miss you. My grocery cereal bill went down $25. You left. Just in cereal. And to Nani, I miss you, Nani, and I wish you were here. And Gaily, and Victoria. I wish every one of you were here and could come and visit with us in this...
How about Jimbo?
Jimbo and... what's the other one?
Wampers.
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 Well, let's see. Now, Joshua had... Greg, do you remember when Alice died and you and Neal had to go and bury the poor thing? Both of you came out of the woods with 2 shovels apiece. And Joshua has disappeared twice. And the other day, Joan and I went walking, and there he was, walking right up to us. Bless his heart. And we just picked that honey up and brought him on home again.
And now,
Here's Glenn.
hello, I'm Glenn, and here's the real Glenn. Stop it! What? You better quit it. Okay,
Go ahead. Yeah, you're out.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to, this is to Mary. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, haha. No, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, Valley, I didn't know you were going to get married, but I'll try to send you a present some other time. And I hope your husband lets you come out here because marriage is very hard. I've been through it once. And, I hope that, you got divorced. No, I didn't get divorced. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Okay, and once you're married, that's it now. Okay, now, Mimi wants to speak, and I love you. Oh, I love Greg. I love Valley. I love everybody in your family. Oh, and Gail. This is to Gail. Is Gail the one that's a movie star? Yeah. Okay, Gail. I don't think I've never seen you before, but I might see you sometime next summer. This is your cousin Glenn signing out. Goodbye. Goodbye, Gail. Okay, bye. Bye, Marion. Neal, I forgot to tell you that I got some new stamps, and send me more. They're coming in by the billions. This is like, sorry, this.
Boo-boo there. It helps go away those boo-boos hurt.
You got a boo-boo on your foot?
Yeah, but you can't see it. Can see it.
Uh-oh.
See?
Uh-huh.
But this helps it go away.
Okay. All right, we're going to sing some songs.
Like
Okay.
what?
Then we're going to send them to Nana and Granddad.
Oh.
Okay, first song I want you to sing is Frere Jacques. Wait a minute.
Is that gonna be me? Is that gonna be me on it? Why? Mhm.
Okay. Why don't you bring your little red chair over? And
Why?
you can sit here. Sing. I think it's in the bathroom.
You go get it because I can't wait to see.
Is that right there?
Okay.
Okay. Now, sing Frere Jacques.
Okay. Where's me?
Huh?
Where's me?
Well, you don't see yourself. You only hear it. Okay, do it again.
Frere Jacques, Frere Jacques, the river, cinnamon pina, ding dang dang, ding dang dang.
Very good. Okay, now sing Rockabye Baby.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bob breaks, the cradle will fall. And the rock-a-baby cried on and on.
Oh, that was such a good song. Okay, how about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Okay. Where's me?
Well, we'll hear you after. Let's sing them and then we'll listen to you, okay?
Okay. Where's me?
Okay, do Twinkle Twinkle.
Those are like eyes.
I know, they are. Okay, let's sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky. Wait a second. It's a coffee, okay? Try coffee, okay? Okay, now I can sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Up above.
Up above there, so high. I gotta sneeze.
Bless you.
First, I gotta drink of her coffee, okay?
All right, well, you want to sing a different song then? How about ABCD?
Okay. Let's sing which one first. Twinkle little star, okay? Twinkle, twinkle little star. Wait a second, I have to give him a kiss.
Come on, the tape's running.
Twinkle, twinkle little
All right.
star. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. I stopped because
All right, stop. Don't sing that song then. Don't sing that song then. Do ABC.
Why?
Because I don't want you to waste so much time if you aren't going to sing it.
I'm gonna sing it now.
All right.
Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the western high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. Oops. ABC.
Okay. A, B, C. Why?
Because you turn you're turning your head away from the microphone. Sing towards here, okay?
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Come on.
What's that?
It's just my coffee cup, honey. Come on, sing. W, X.
A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Where's the answer?
Daphne.
What's
Come
the
on,
zebra?
honey. Okay, then let's do Daphne. Where are you going?
Okay. How about Twinkle Little Star? Okay.
Oh, no, you've done that one. Do Daphne. Where are you going?
Okay. Let's try first song again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Daphne, one with two beaks, and like a dove. Daphne, the bathtub. Daphne, part the flag. Oh my goodness, oh my God, this Daphne got that home.
Hey, okay, now how about Doggy in the window?
Okay, and what is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. I hope that doggy's for sale.
Very good. Okay, how about Do Wah Diddy?
Okay, wait a second. I have to take a drink of Charlie Coke.
Okay.
Charlie Coke. Coffee. I'm still there to go get more.
All right, let's finish our songs first. How about
Okay.
Do Wah Diddy?
Okay. Just a walking down the street, say, ooh, I did, they do. Stop on the fingers and stuff when I say, ooh, I did, they do. Snap on the fingers and stuff when I say, ooh, I did, they do.
Okay, how about My Friend the Witch Doctor?
Okay. There's so much stuff. Tell me what to say. So much stuff. Tell me what to say. Ooh, ooh, ee, ooh, ah, tang, tang. Wow, bang, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, tang, tang. Wow, bang, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, tang, tang. Wow, bang, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh.
Okay, how about On Top of Spaghetti?
Okay. I
Take your
think
cup
here.
down though so they can hear you.
A, B.
No, On Top of the Spaghetti.
Oh. A,
On top of
Oh.
spaghetti.
On top of spaghetti.
If you've got a cup in front of your mouth, okay?
Oh. A, B, C.
No, On Top of Spaghetti.
Oh, on top of spaghetti. A couple of teeth. I lost my pummy ball. Was somebody's knee.
Hold on the table.
Hmm?
Hold on the table.
Okay, let me kiss her on me, okay? Is that me?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, let's finish the song.
I kiss me.
Okay.
Let me kiss you, okay?
Okay.
That's you.
Oh, okay. Hold on the table.
It was on the table and onto the floor. Now my up there.
Sing this way.
Okay. A man on it was on the table and onto the bus. Now my
Onto the floor.
it went on the table and onto the bus.
Floor, honey.
On the floor. Now my pummy ball was out at the door. It was in the garden and under a bus. Now my pummy ball is nothing but rust.
Very good. Okay, how about London Bridge?
Okay, London Bridge falling down, my fair lady. London Bridge falling down, my fair ladies. London Bridge falling down, my fair ladies.
Okay. How voodoo.
Okay. What's it about, Mommy?
Okay.
Oh, what's it about?
Okay, do savez-vous.
Okay, give me goosebumps. What's this about here?
Okay.
It's here. Here. That's squats it really hard, okay? Ouch, it's doing it really hard. Give me goosebumps.
Okay.
How about,
Savez-vous.
okay. Savez-vous the Alamada, Alamada, savez-vous the keep blowing on my itchy bump.
Okay.
Do it really hard.
Okay, let's sing. Sing it nice and clear so they know you're singing in French.
Okay. Savez-vous the Alamada, Alamada, savez-vous the Alamada, this no on a fly Alamada, this no on a fly Alamada, this no.
Oh, that was so good. I have to give you a big kiss. Okay. How about Joyeux anniversaire?
Okay. Try it on me. Let's again. Drink this. That's something I have to get some of my 50 songs.
Okay. Go ahead and sing it. Sing Joyeux anniversaire.
Okay. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Can I open that?
No, sing, honey.
Oh. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire.
Oh, that was so good.
Kiss it.
Now I want you to say hi, and Nana and Grand. They'll be listening to this.
Okay. What are they?
Well, we're going to send it to them, so you just talk right there and say hi, Nana and Granddad.
Okay. Are they going to be there?
Uh-huh.
Can I say it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You say okay. You sit with me, okay?
Okay. Hi, Nana. Say hi, Nana.
Hi.
Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Say hi, Granddad.
Hi, Granddad.
Say I miss you.
I miss you. Bye-bye.
They're in England.
But they can't hear me.
Well, we're going to send this to them in an envelope, and then they can hear you pretty singing all the way over in England. Won't that be nice?
Yeah, Mommy. I have to go get some more coffee, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back, okay?
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're going to record Santa Claus is Coming to Town, okay?
Okay.
And sing it nice and clear.
Okay.
You
Santa,
better watch out.
you better not set.
Start at the beginning.
Okay. What's up? You better not cry. You better not tell you
Wait a
why.
minute, let's start again. You better not pout.
You better not
Let's start again, okay? And do it nice and clear, okay?
Santa
No,
Claus.
you better watch out.
Oh. You better not tell. You better not cry. You better not pout. I tell you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a left and taking that twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Hey, do you know the rest?
He knows if you're sleeping. He knows if you're awake. He knows if you're bad, go sake. Oh, you better stop. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'll tell you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Oh, my little darling, that was so.
No,
Oh, it's so good.
no, you're singing, okay? Yeah.
Okay, Daphne's going to tell the story of Pam and Ines. Okay.
I went take your alphabet up to your grand's house. And you say, yes, Mama. And you take the alphabet up to your grand's house. There's no single crunch lion. And say, Pam, I want you to take this puppy up to your grand's house. And put him into cold water. And then cough and sneeze.
Is that all?
No.
Tell me the rest.
Okay, how's it go?
How about the piece of cake?
Piece of cake, I'm going to take this cake up to your grand's house and say, yes, Mama. And you take the loaf of bread and you take up to your grand's house and I say, in the cold water, it melted.
It melted?
Yeah.
Oh, no. What happened with the pies?
Huh?
Do you remember what happened with the pies?
What?
His mama told him not to step in the pies with his shoes on?
No.
So what did he do?
He took off his shoes and his socks and he stepped into the pie.
That's right. You knew, didn't you? That's not a very nice story. Do you know any other stories? How about some Christmas songs? Can you sing any Christmas songs? What?
But Cinderella gone.
Well, that's not a Christmas song.
Yeah.
That's not a Christmas song.
I sing that.
How about deck the halls with boughs of holly?
Yeah.
Do that one.
La 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 la.
'Tis the season to be jolly.
La 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 la.
Don we know our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. No, very good. All right, this is December 13th, 1989, and Daphne's gonna sing the 12 Days of Christmas. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, action.
How's it go?
First day.
Okay. The first day of Christmas, my Savior sent to me. For combat, sweet and sweet and dark. In the past, they in the pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my was sent to me. For quartering, for combat, sweet and sweet and dark. In the past, they in the pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, with the for combat, three fantastic two dogs and in the pear tree. On the 6th day of Christmas, my voice said to me, for gold rings, for combat, three fantastic two dogs, and the party in the pear tree.
Oh, that was so good.